walk down all the aisles, turning over every stone, building new rulers, but still haven't burned any holes. Please don't let me down this time. I've come a long way to just fall back into line. Keep both feet on the ground while I change the wings. I promise one day I'll be.
So here we are at Henann lobby. I haven't actually done a tour yet of this hotel. Very beautiful place. A little bit out of place for this island, but it's fantastic. Yeah, I have to say, everything that we need and more. Okay, just gonna go for breakfast now. So it's a little bit of a walk to get there, but it's a nice walk. So I'm gonna put the camera forward. Actually, I'll go this way instead. Like a fountain thing. Little fishies. Actually big fishies. Yeah, a lot of them. These carps are freaking huge. Alrighty, and there's like swimming pools everywhere here. This is actually a perfect place for us. It's families everywhere, so I would definitely recommend this place for families. So our room is in the main building. And actually there's also a breakfast restaurant in the main building, and the restaurant we're going to now is Sea Breeze, which is at the seafront. We're actually staying in a premier room, which is actually okay. It's a really good. It's an okay size for us. Everything we need. We're only using the room anyway to sleep, and we're out most of the day. Here are the villas. Yeah. And here is one of the other restaurants here, where it's only a la carte. Had a look at the menu. Actually, let's have a look at the menu here. This one's called Christina's. And the menu looks like this. It's quite fair priced. So it's not actually expensive at all. Alrighty. Fantastic trees here. So here we are. Morning. At the restaurant is here. There's just underneath this spa called Kai, and here is a chapel. I guess this could be used when you're getting married. This place. There's another swimming pool here, and here is the restaurant where we will be eating our breakfast.